Hi students, good morning everyone. Today in this video, let us see exercise 5.1. First question, first subdivision. Find the area of the triangle formed by the coordinates 1, minus 1, minus 4, 6 and minus 3, minus 5. Let us first trace the triangle in a coordinate system. Say it is x and y, it is y dash and it is x dash. This is the origin center O. Now 1, minus 1. So definitely it lies in fourth quadrant. Say 1, minus 1. So 1 and minus 1 be here. So this is the point 1, minus 1. The next one is minus 4, 6. So minus is in x dash and 6 in y. That's second quadrant. So minus and plus. So minus 4, 6. And the last one is minus 3, minus 5. So both are minus, lies in third quadrant. So 3, minus 5. Let it be here. Now join these three vertices and hence here it forms a triangle. So let us make this as vertices. Now first, second, third, fourth go into a anti-clockwise direction. So now take this point as A and this is B and C. Now A of minus 4, 6 and B of minus 3, minus 5 and C of 1, minus 1. Now take this point as x1, y1 and take this point as x2, y2 and take this point as x3, y3. Now find the area of triangle. Write down the formula at first. The area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of x1, y2 plus x2, y3 plus x3, y1 minus x2, y1 plus x3, y2 plus x1, y3. So now substitute this here. So let me take so area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2. While taking the numbers, I'll follow writing this right here as square units. And now I want to write taking cross multiplication. So first minus 4, 6 is the first point. So I write like this, minus 4 and 6, minus 3, minus 5. And the third one is 1, minus 1. Once again you write this 4 and 6. So multiply. So first 4 5s are 20, minus minus plus. Minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. 1 into 6 is 6. Minus 18 minus 5 plus 4. Minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4. Is equal to 1 by 2 of 20, 23 plus 6 is 29 minus 18 minus 5 is minus 23. Minus 23 plus 4 is 19. So minus 19, which is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of 29 plus 19. So which is equal to 1 by 2. Remove the modulus and add these two numbers and write 18, balance 1, 2, 4, 48. So now reduce this number. So it is 24 square units. So area of triangle is equal to 24 square units is the answer. Now second subdivision. Now second subdivision. First question, second subdivision. Find the area of the triangle formed by the points minus 10, minus 4, minus 8 comma minus 1 and minus 3 comma minus 5. Now all the points are lies in the third quadrant, so it is very easy to trace. So x, y, x dash and y dash. So if you are confused, you have to write the numbers and then you frame the triangle in a coordinate axis. So let me guess and trace the triangle. Say minus 8 and minus 1. Minus 1 lies here. Say minus 8 here. So it is minus 8 comma minus 1. And the next point is minus 10 comma minus 4. Minus 10 may be here. 8 க்கு அப்புறம் இருக்கும். So minus 10 and minus 4. So let it be here. So it is minus 10 comma minus 4. And the last one is minus 3 comma minus 5. So minus 3 will be here. Minus 5 is here. Minus 3 comma minus 5. Now join these three vertices and hence the triangle formed like this. So by inspection I am taking the points as A, B and C. These are the points. Now A of minus 8 comma minus 1, B of minus 10 comma minus 4, C of minus 3 comma minus 5. Now take this point as x1 comma y1 and this point as x2 comma y2 and take this point as x3 comma y3. So area of triangle formula 1 by 2 into modulus of x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y1 minus x2 y1 plus x3 y2 plus x1 y3 square units. Now let me take this into this formula. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of, take the first point minus 8 minus 1, second point minus 10 minus 4, third one is minus 3 minus 5 and once again you write the first point. Now multiply, cross multiply. Minus 8 minus 4 is plus 32, minus 10 minus 5 is plus 50, minus 3 minus 1 is plus 3, minus 1 minus 10 is plus 10, minus 4 minus 3 is plus 12, minus 5 minus 8 is plus 40. So which is equal to 1 by 2, 30, 80, 83, 85. Then add these numbers 40, 50, 60, 62. So 85 minus 62. So the answer is 1 by 2 into 85 minus 62 is 43. Sorry, 8 minus 6 is 2, 23. So 23 divide by 2. Say 10 times, 11 times 22, balance 1.0510. So which is equal to 11.5 square units. So area, result. Area of triangle is equal to 11.5 square units is the answer. Now let us see second question. Now second question, determine whether the set of points are collinear. What do you mean by collinear? Collinear means the points lie in the same straight line. That means it should not form a triangle. So we can prove by using area of triangle. If area of triangle is equal to 0, then the given points are collinear. Let us come to conclude like that. So the points are first subdivision minus 1 by 2 comma 3. And this is the first question, first subdivision. Second point is minus 5 comma 6. And the third point is minus 8 comma 8. Since we are going to find whether the points are collinear, no need to trace the triangle because it should not form a triangle. We doesn't know whether it forms a triangle or not. So straight away we can go to the formula. Determine whether the set of points are collinear. Find the area of triangle. Area of triangle formula is 1 by 2 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 and x1 y1 square units, and take a cross multiplication. You can write the formula like this also. So area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of first point is minus 1 by 2 comma 3. Second point is minus 5 and 6, minus 8, 8, minus 1 by 2, 3, which is equal to 1 by 2. First multiply these two. 1 by 2 into 6 is 3, minus 3. 5 8s are 40, minus 40. Minus 8 into 3 is minus 24. And minus 3 5s are minus 15. 6 into minus 8 is minus 48. Minus 1 by 2 into 8 is minus 4. So 1 by 2. Now add these three numbers and put minus sign. Minus of 40, 60, 64, 67. Minus 67. Minus of, and here also all minus numbers. So add all the three and write. 50, 40, 50, 55. 63, 67, minus 67. So 1 by 2 modulus of minus 67, minus of minus plus 67. So it gives minus 67 plus 67 is 0. Half into 0 is 0. So here I am getting area of triangle is equal to 0. Therefore the given points are collinear. The given points are collinear. Now second subdivision. Second subdivision. Determine whether the set of points are collinear. The set of points are A, B plus C and B, C plus A and C, A plus B. These are the points it is given. Now let me check whether the area of triangle is collinear, is equal to 0 or not. So area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x1 y1 square units. Take cross multiply. Now area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2. Take this is as x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3. Now what is x1? A and B plus C. x2 y3 x2 y2 is B, C plus A. x3 y3 C, A plus B. Once again x1 y1 A, B plus C. So which is equal to 1 by 2 into, first multiply these two, A into C plus A. A into C is AC. So now let me write like this, A into C plus A plus B into A plus B. B into A plus B plus C into B plus C. So first cross multiplication over, take this as a square bracket. Minus of take another square bracket. Now go upward, b into b plus c. Then c into plus c into c plus a. Then a into plus a into a plus b. Square bracket over, take a modulus. So which is equal to 1 by 2 of, now multiply this a inside, ac plus a square plus ba plus b square plus cb plus c square. Then take this minus and multiply all the numbers. B into b is b square minus b square. Remove the bracket and write. So b into c is bc minus bc minus c square minus ca minus a square minus ab. Now look at this. It's very easy. Plus a square minus a square cancel. Plus b square minus b square cancel, plus c square minus c square cancel, plus ac minus ac, plus ba minus ba, plus cb minus bc cancel. So all the numbers are get cancelled. So which is equal to 1 by 2 into 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, the given points are collinear. Now third question, third problem. Now question number 3, vertices of given triangles are taken in order and their areas are provided aside. In each case, find the value of P. Here a tabular column is given, first subdivision, vertices are given and the area of a triangle in square units it is given. So what are the vertices it is given? First question, first subdivision 0, 0 and P, 8 and 6, 2. These are the vertices it is given and the area of triangle is equal to 20 square units. So nothing but you have to take the formula area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of, you can follow any one method. Okay, now I am writing this as x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y1 minus x2 y1 plus x3 y2 plus x1 y3. Now area of triangle is 20, which is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of 0, 0, P, 8, 6, 2. Once again write 0, 0. So 20 is equal to 1 by 2, 8 into 0, 0, P into 2 is 2P, 6 into 0 is 0, minus 0 into P is 0, plus 6 4s are 48, plus 2 into 0 is 0. So now bring this number this side, so which implies 1 by 2 into modulus of 0, 0 cancel, so it is 2P, minus 0, 0 cancel, minus plus minus 48 is equal to 20. Now bring this to this side. So remove the modulus and write 2p minus 48 is equal to 20 into 2. Now 2p is equal to 20 into 2 is 40. Bring this 48 this side, it becomes plus 48. So 2p is equal to 88. So therefore P is equal to 88 divided by 2. P is equal to 1 time 4 and 4 times, so 44. So P is equal to 44 is the answer. Second subdivision. Second subdivision, the vertices are P, P and 5, 6 and 5, minus 2. And area of triangle is equal to 32 square units. Now once again, as per the formula, area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y1 minus x2 y1 plus x3 y2 plus x1 y3. So area of triangle is 32 is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of P 5 6 5 minus 2 P. Now cross multiply, modulus of P into 6 is 6P, 5 into minus 2 is minus 10, 5 into P is 5P, minus 5 into P is 5P, plus 6 into 5 is 30, minus 2 into P is minus 2P. So 32 is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of 6P plus 5P is 11P minus 10. So this is one number, minus 5P minus 2P is 3P plus 30. Now remove the bracket. So 32 is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of 11P minus 10 minus 3P minus 30. So which implies, now bring this number this side. So which is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of 11P minus 3P is 8P. Minus 10 minus 30 is minus 40 is equal to 32. Now bring this to that side. So 8P, remove the modulus and write, is equal to 32 into 2. So 8P is equal to 32 into 2 is 64. Bring this number 40 this side, it becomes plus 40. So 8P is equal to 4, 6 plus 4, 10. Therefore P is equal to 104 by 8. So divide this 1 time, 1 8 is 8, balance 2, 24, 3 8s are 24. So P is equal to 13 is the answer. And now question number 4. Question number 4. In each of the following, find the value of A for which the given points are collinear. First subdivision, 2, minus 3 and 4, A and 6, minus 3. First subdivision. It is given, and it is given the given points are collinear. The given that the points are collinear. This is the condition, it is given points are collinear. And hence find A. So we want to find the value of A. What do you mean here? The points are collinear. Collinear means the points lie in the same straight line. It should not form a triangle. Therefore, we can take it as area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to 0. Since the points are collinear, the area of triangle is 0. This is the condition what we need. Here straight away you can write area of triangle is equal to 0. Now write down the formula and substitute the points and find the value of A. So here 1 by 2 modulus of x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x1 y1 is equal to 0. 1 by 2. Now substitute the points 2, 3, 4, A, 6 minus 3. Once again first point 2, 3 equal to 0. So 1 by 2 modulus of, multiply this 2A, 4 into minus 3 minus 12, 6 3s are 18 plus 18 minus 3 4s are 12, A into 6 is 6A plus 6A minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 equal to 0. Bring this to that side, so it becomes 0. Here you solve this 2a. 18 minus 12 is plus 6. Remove the modulus, minus 6a. 12 minus 6 is 6. Is equal to 0 into 2 is 0. Now remove the bracket and write 2a plus 6 minus 6a minus 6 equal to 0. Here plus 6 and minus 6 is 0. 2a minus 6a is minus 4a equal to 0, which implies a equal to 0 is the answer. Now second subdivision. Now second subdivision, the given points are a comma 2 minus 2a and minus a plus 1 comma 2a and minus 4 minus a comma 6 minus 2a. These are the points, and the given condition is given that the points are collinear. Since the points are collinear, we can take the condition as area of triangle is equal to 0. So area of triangle formula is 1 by 2 modulus of x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 and x1 y1 is equal to 0. For this question, it is the best way to prove easily, and also it is very easy to write the formula also. So take a cross multiply and show, then it forms a formula. So now 1 by 2 modulus of, take a first point a, 2 minus 2a. Be very careful because there is no number, only the variables. And second point is minus a plus 1 and 2a. Third point minus 4 minus a, 6 minus 2a. Once again this first point a, 2 minus 2a is equal to 0. So first itself you bring this number this side, so it becomes 0. So first modulus of these two number multiply, a into 2a plus these two number minus a plus 1 into 6 minus 2a plus these two numbers minus 4 minus a into 2 minus 2a. So 1 cross multiplication over, take a square bracket as a whole, then put minus. Once again go to the next cross multiplication. Multiply these two numbers. 2 minus 2a into minus a plus 1 plus, multiply these two numbers, 2a into minus 4 minus a. Put the bracket properly, then only you can understand these two should be multiplied, and after multiplication you have to add. Okay, then go to the last one, plus 6 minus 2a into a modulus is equal to 0. This 2, if it becomes this side, it becomes 0. Now multiply and write. Very carefully you multiply. First a into 2a is 2a square. Now let me remove the modulus and let me write. Take it as a whole bracket, but so my plus 2a square. Now so minus a into 6 is minus 6a. Minus a into minus 2a is plus 2a square. Then 1 into 6 is plus 6. 1 into minus 2a is minus 2a. The same way, minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Minus 4 into minus 2a is minus minus plus 4 2s are 8 plus 8a. Minus a into 2 is minus 2a. minus a into minus 2a is plus 2a square. So one subdivision over and then put minus and take the next subdivision. 2 into minus a is minus 2a. 2 into 1 is plus 1. Minus 2a into minus a is plus 2a square. Minus 2a into 1 is minus 2a. Plus 2a into minus is minus 4a. Sorry, 2 into 4 is 8. Minus 8a. 2 into minus a is minus 2a square. 2a into, 2a into minus 4 is minus 8a. Minus a into plus 2a is minus 2a square, that's all. And then 6 into a is plus 6a. Minus 2a into a is minus 2a square. Now at first let us solve here. Plus 2a square minus 2a square plus 2a square. Sorry, plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So a square is 6a square. So it is equal to 0. Don't forget to write equal to 0. Now first subdivision 6a square and the a values minus 6a minus 2a minus 8a plus 8a 0. So minus 8a, these are cancelled. So remaining is minus 2a. And the only one is plus 6. Minus. Now here a square. Now 2a square and minus 2a square cancel. So minus 2a square balance. 2a. A variables of a. That is a terms. Minus 2a minus 2a minus 4a. Minus 4a minus 8a minus 12a. Minus 12a plus 6a minus 6a. And the remaining number is 1. So plus 1 equal to 0. Now remove the bracket and write 6a square minus 2a plus 6 plus 2a square plus 6a minus 1 equal to 0. 6a square plus 2a square is 8a square. 6a minus 2a is plus 4a. 6 minus 1 is plus 5. Let me check once again where we are getting 1. 2a minus 2a. 2 into 1 is 2. Here it is 2. So we are getting the number 2 here. So minus 2. So it is 6 minus 2 is 4 equal to 0. So divide by 4. So it becomes 2a square plus a plus 1 equal to 0. Now factorize this. 2 into 1 is 2. Let me check once again. See here, minus 8 here we left. Minus 8 plus 2 is minus 8 plus 6 is minus 2. Minus 8 plus 6 is minus 2. So here it is minus 2. So minus 2 is minus 4. So here it is minus. So now 1, 2 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So divide by 2, coefficient of a square. The variable is 2. So the factors are 2a minus 1 and a plus 1 is equal to 0. So 2a minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore a equal to 1 by 2. The another factor is a plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore a equal to minus 1. So result a is equal to minus 1 or a is equal to 1 by 2 is the answer. Thank you.